I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
minsan kinakarga ko dito yung box eh.
Oo.
Yan, dyan niya kinakarga.
Oo.
Teka muna Kuya Marlon,
Nakarga ko
kasi may
tapos-
video tayo ng pagkuha niya ng bike. Ano natin na?
Tao. Ganon.
No nga po, malaki na nga po yung bagay na yun. Kaya sana po makatulong po ako sa mga magulang ko sa probinsya kasi yung tatay ko bulag na po eh.
Ano yung sakit na misis mo?
Satay po, satay po siya at saka sa tubig sa tiyan.
Ah, okay. O mami, announce natin ulit yung Gcash mo para makatulong muli yung ating mga viewers.
At this point, Kuya Marlon, para ikaw na mismo ang magpasalamat sa nagbigay sa'yo ng bike na yan. Napakabait ng mag-asawang to, si Maricel at Eric. Gusto ko makilala mo siya. Kuya Marlon, andito na siya sa kabilang linya. Ang owner ng LJ Bikes na si Mrs. Maricel Coinco. Maricel! Good afternoon!
Hello po. Hello po.
Good afternoon. Salamat po, malaki po yung bagay ito sa akin.
Ay, salamat po. Welcome po.
Tuwang-tuwa, Maricel.
Palagi kayo sa may kapal.
Anong message mo kay Marlon, Maricel?